수업 전에. 수업 전에. What does this phrase mean? If you'll notice, the word in red letter is 수업. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 수업. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 275. 수업. 수업. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is su, the second syllable is op. Pronounce it with me. 수업. 수업. The meaning of the word 수업 is class or lesson in Korean. Again, this is a Korean term for class or lesson. How do you write 수업 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. First syllable is su. This is written by drawing first a SUEOP character followed by an U character. For the second syllable op, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang followed by the a character followed by the biop character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 수업. Now let's try to look at this example English phrase. It says, before class. Again, before the class. The Korean translation of this is 수업 전에. Again, it's 수업 전에. The example phrase is composed of two words. The first word is 수업. This is our word for today, and it means class for this case. The second word is 전에. The word 전 means before, and we added the suffix 에 to indicate an schedule. So when we combine these two words, it becomes 수업 전에, which means the time before the class starts, or simply just before class. Looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 수업 전에 is simply before class. And with that, you've just learned 수업. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 265 to 274. But don't forget our word for today, word number 275, 수업, which means class or lesson. The first word for our review is word number 274, cake, which means cake. Word number 273 is kimchi. This pertains to the fermented vegetable dish in Korea. Word number 272 is 물론, which means sure or of course. Word number 271 is 없다, which means to not exist or to not have. Word number 270 is 맛있어, which means there is taste or delicious. Word number 269 is 해요, which means do. Word number 268 is 봐요, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. Word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is 여동생, which means younger sister. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.